Hello everyone, I am Monish. My register number is URK23AI1108. Today I am going to explain my Python code that uses a neural network for predicting house prices using the California housing dataset. In first step, I import all necessary libraries, NumPy and Pandas for handling data and numerical operations, Matplotlib for visualizing training results, scikit-learn for splitting dataset, scaling features and loading the dataset, TensorFlow Keras for building and training the neural network model. Step 2. I use fetch California housing from sklearn to load the California housing dataset. It contains information about different areas in California like average income, number of rooms, population and house age and target variable in the median house value. I convert dataset into pandas data frames. I also check and fill any missing values just as precaution, even though the dataset is none. Next, I split the data training 80% and testing into 20% sets using train test split. Then I use standard scalar to normalize all the feature values so that each feature has mean 0 and standard deviation 1. This helps the neural network learn efficiently and prevents large value features from dominating. And next, I built a sequential neural network with the following layers: input layer, dense layer with 64 neurons and ReLU activation, dropout layer with 20% to prevent overfitting, dense 32 and dense 16 layers with ReLU activations for deeper learning, output layer with 1 neuron. So this model learns to predict continuous values, the house price. And next, I compiled the model using add-on optimizer with a learning rate of 0.001 for efficient gradient rates, mean square error, mean absolute error. I trained the model using model fit for 10 epochs with a batch size of 32, and I include validation data to track performance on unseen data after each epoch. The model learns pattern from training data and adjusts its weight to minimize loss. After training, I evaluate the model using the test set to calculate MAE, which tells how close the predicted values are to the actual points. Finally, I use Matplotlib to plot two graphs. The first one is training versus validation, and the next one is training versus validation of mean absolute error. Thank you.